Hey guys, welcome back to MotoIOI.com. So today we are going to showcase our newly launched KTM 250 and 390 crash guard. This is a split design, and as you have seen, we have recently unveiled this on 15th August. We had posted on our social media pages like the Instagram and Facebook. So there you can check all the details also. And after unveiling, we got quite a few positive responses. Everyone appreciated the design and the quality and the fit and finish, so thank you so much. Few of the riders also came to our office and checked this design, checked everything related to the crash guard, all the technical specifications also, and they also appreciated a lot. This is a very different kind of crash guard as most of the comments and the feedback what we have received initially. So as you all know, this is a split design crash guard where the crash guard has been divided into two parts. The first part is the tank guard, which is protecting the complete tank, also some part of the radiator, and the lower section of the crash guard is called as the engine guard. So the mounting arrangement is pretty much the same as what you have in the stock crash guard. All the mounting points are the same except for the two. If you see this side of the bike, this a different mounting point is the last mounting point is near the gear lever, and for the tank guard it is below the headlight. So these are the two separate points which we have taken. The center points are the same as the stock ones. Similarly, on this side of the bike also, the first point is below the headlamp. I'll just show you. Yes, and the last point is near the master cylinder. That's the last point. So basically the split design is actually useful to protect your tank and the engine individually. There's no single design, so there's no compromise in the protection department. The tank guard would be protecting the tank and the radiator, and the engine guard would be protecting the engine. If you see the engine guard, it is like a cage where everything, all the important parts are being protected. So you can see the important parts of the engine are protected. So in case of fall in any condition like trails, off-road, or on the highways, this part would be completely intact. Also the tank part would also be completely intact. We have also drop tested the bike and also tested the crash guard on the trails. Unfortunately, but good for the guards, we had a small fall on the trails, and there we got the actual results of this crash guard. So it is quite sturdy, it's quite strong. All the technical specifications are also there on our website. You can go and have a look. Bookings are open, so you can book it on our website, that is motoioi.com, and the delivery would start from 30th August onwards. There are two colors, one which you are seeing on the screen, that's the orange, and the other one is the black. The orange is very similar and it is very close to what KTM uses. It's almost the same shade. I cannot disclose the shade right now, but it's the same shade what KTM is using. So color wise it will not fade off, it will be the same shade as the KTM. So this is a small overview, a small you can judge this guard from this video, and more details would be coming soon. A complete installation video for this crash guard would be coming soon. So stay tuned guys, and thank you so much for watching this video.